Okay, in this part, we will covering the next frame or next section. And in the previous section, I have just make this animation slide, and I have done some few changes. I have decreased the size of this button and the icon, and changed the animation to gentle. Okay, so in this next part, we will add the next section. So let's add the text here. Okay. And then we have to design a card here. So its width will be 350 and height will be 490. Perfect. First, change the height of the mainframe to 3000 for now. Okay. Okay, now we have to change this to like 250 and 390. Okay, 350. Perfect. And borders to 10. Okay, now we have to give it a linear field, gradient field. Hmm. So first we will give you 1 F1324. In the first one, we will give 192043. Sorry, 192043. Okay, and okay, wait here like okay, fine. Perfect. Now duplicates this 3 times. Thirty. Oh, okay. Now we have to add the images. I have already downloaded the images we need to give you. I will be providing you this in the description. Perfect. Okay, is it like 30? Okay, fine. I think I have to give like 25. Perfect. 25 medium roboto. Then I have to add text, some paragraph. You watch on smart TVs, PlayStation, okay, increase it's make it regular. Okay, and it should be like 20. Fine. Perfect. And it should be like medium only. 22. Much bigger. Okay, and we have to change this to 20. No, 18, 17. Okay, fine, fine. Change the fill to yes. Okay, this is ready. Quickly build the other. Okay, we have created all the cards. Same like this. Next, we will create. Let's see how is it looking. Load. Okay, perfect. Decrease the font size to this same or increase little much this one. Okay, let's see the animation. Fine before then. Okay, good. So let's increase first logo size to like 150. Okay, much more than. Okay, yes. And let's see what is the 130. Okay, it's 138 and 126. And what is it? 35. Let's give it 22. Let's see, it's 22. 22 is fine. Let's see. Okay, just fine. Perfect. In the next video, we will making a FAQ section that will be. That's it for this part. We'll meet in next part. Thank you.